We have here a really beautifully put together show that the artist has worked actually many years on. And the installation is just beautiful. It's just out of this world. And this is a person who's been working with charcoal and getting the textures and values, I mean, duplicating textures of things in the real world in charcoal and chalk. And she's branched out into more things, and she's gone for blue. And this also has a very personal story in it. But look at this beautiful installation. And this is by Aimee Mandala or Mandala. Well, in this corner here, look at this. And have I got a pair of nylons for her? Yeah, that's like one of her goings right there. See? Let's go look at this curtain. At night, blowing. And see how much fun she has with her talks when she gets it to where she wants it. Finishes up with those. Okay. Nice. They're all very reasonably priced as well for original pieces in beautiful floating frames. I like this one a lot. I might have bought it if it hadn't already sold. And this is my first view of this. I've been indisposed. All right, now inside this wall that welcomed us in, we've got a door. And what's in there? It's where the heart is. And the moon is on each side. Right, these are, okay. And here is a blue door. Inviting us in. But I'm going to go back out and show you what invited me in. Probably different things invite different people. I was out here looking at this, and I saw a drawing table. And I went in. And I said, I'll save that for last. See what this is about. Mandala in blue. And blueprint. It's the same one that's outside in black, and these are printed in blue. See if I can square off some good things here. And so the things in here are blue. And a departure from the black. I assume these are prints of this, yeah. This would be the graphite original. So here you go. Graphite original. And a blueprint. Here we have blue prints, and yeah, I assume that the graphite is the original here as well. And we're looking at this lettering here. Again, this is like the architectural lettering, like blueprints and architectural lettering. And all of them have this special measured text on them. And here we have the inspiration from something like a blueprint, some architectural plans, not renderings, but plans and diagrams. You know, I'm fascinated with architecture myself, so there's that. And then here we have on blue, like a blueprint. I'm going to give Aimee some of my photo paper that you can make things on that turns blue when you put it out in the sun with a plant on top of it. I think she'd like that for a toy. And these are some things. This is her dad's desk. That's my name too, McMahon. Oh, was this one of his? Yes. A. McMahon. And this was in 1922. I don't know if her dad is John or Paul. I don't. Oh, yeah, this is 1941, so that's probably her dad there. So she had these kind of things and this kind of lettering around to be inspired by. I'm going to have to show her my Uncle Jerry's drafting kit that I used for my lettering class. It came from my dad, who got it from his younger brother Jerry that was in the Army and the FAA and stuff like that. Here are some blueprints right here. Blueprints. And down here, and a beautiful briefcase. Look at this. 2 zippered compartments on the outside and one on the inside, and of course it's leather. I really respond to this kind of stuff. Anyway, so this is her dad, and this has to do with her mom, and she goes and reads to her mom now for the joy of the words, instead of just bringing the continued narrative of what other people are doing. I think I have a good book that I can bring down here and put on this stool, maybe tomorrow. It's poems for growing older, and they're beautiful poems. I was just looking at it the other day. So, thank you for watching. Please go to Aimee Mandala's YouTube channel. You know, she should have credit for this. I'm just doing my low production values stuff on my chats. So I don't need credit for a like on this video. Please give it to her. This is a lot of work and a lot of heart and soul. And yeah. I don't remember if I got all of the blue stuff here. I'm a big fan of blue willow ware myself. These are more of a French kind. I like that. I like the upholstery fabrics. Oh, yeah, so I forgot, I did want to say, these are all dated March 22nd, 2025. So she did these just before putting the show. Oh no, maybe this is the date that the show opened. I'm not sure.